Ay, tinandaan mo yung ano natin, ha?
That's what we.
Ha?
Did you see a bird, a blue one?
Bird? Nasaan ang bird? Ayun.
There.
Ang bird daw na blue.
Ang dami.
Pero pag lumusot na tayo sa iba, mahihirapan na tayo. Ang daming kainan kasi dito. Lakad-lakad kami, guys. Nalikramo na to si... Ang ganda naman ni Tech. Simon Bolivar. Oh, malay mo, ma-discover mo pa yung bilihan dito na ano, Jen. Ito?
Thank you.
Sabihin ni brother, Alek, anong matam ba gusto niyo? Madaming matam. Sabi ko, ma-discover mo yung bilihan talaga. Uy,
So sad.
wala na, yun lang naman. Covered na dito, oh. Oh. Yan yun. You know that one, Deng? Ano si, gutom ka na?
Ada mas bos ha?
Uspan.
Mas bos ada?
Meat or chicken.
Ada laham.
Laham?
Lahem.
Eh, wahad mas bos laham.
Yes.
Balik yung.
De-
Ada kabir sa?
Say one person, two person, how many person is it?
maliit lang.
But I eat meat.
Itnin.
Itnin.
Yeah,
laham,
okay.
mas bos.
But then, kebab.
Yeah. Then same plate or
Good na.
One.
Magkiketchup na si Mother.
I don't want Pepsi.
Ay, hindi daw Pepsi kanya yan. Get there.
Get that you. Bring 450 kuya. Then ading get.
Hindi ko talaga alam. May taas pala to dito.
What you want, eh? I'll get that.
Parang may-ari lang kayo dyan, ah.
Mountain Dew for you. How about Kuya si Mountain Dew? Pepsi. Okay. That's for you. Thank you. Na yung ano?
Nakaganda ni Madam, oh.
Magtanong daw ako sa mga nagbebenta ng pabangsan. Bilihan ng ano.
Daanan natin.
Kuya, Papa,
Medyo mali-
Auden.
Kasi wala namang kumakain siguro dito sa taas. Baka sila. Take it, let's break. Punasan mo dyan, malikabok na. Diretso mo. Malikabok. Excuse me, baby. Ang bilis naman ito. So big bread. I want to wash my hands.
Wash your hands guys.
Okay. Hello. We're now going to eat. I'll show you the food.
Ito!
This is the food.
Yummy.
This is a big bread. Bread. And Mama eating bread. It's her birthday. And soft drinks. There's four Pepsi and I have Mountain Dew. There's for the dipping for the bread.
Garlic. Nagbibideo na po guys.
Nauna na siya.
Then there's some this. And there's some
Ano yung damihan? May ano
soy
pa?
sauce and then we got
Hindi lang, may naman yung mamayanan. Parang mong ginawa. Miss. Anong tawag dyan?
bread with garlic.
Si Ate Liza yan, big bread ang tawag niya dyan. Paborito niya Ate Liza yan, brown. Big bread. Yummy?
Wala na iba lang bread ng ano ngayon UK.
Wala nang crispy.
Let me check.
Hala.
تمام بس نبص على خبزه سمسم هاي
Papa, dragon.
Jumbo.
Paano sa kambing, di ba?
My goodness. May pa-ukra pa. Ano yan, o Jen?
God, one fly.
Lulu ko yung girl.
I'm feeding you.
Para
Kasi
man
ako kaya
siya.
na ganito.
Saan?
Yung basa-basa.
Yung ano.
I'm outdoors.
What you want?
Right.
Rice?
Dinner.
The aftermath of Natalie.
Asan na yung mga ano natin?
Ang umbrella na bread.
It's hot. Oh, ano na, hindi na
May Filipino store din sila, oh. Eskinol, papaya, RDL. Look at the fruits, oh. Ganda. Ay, bakit? Ha? Yeah. Ito yung nahanap ni Ate Di, oh. Daraa. Dito nga tayo lumusot. Nasaan na yun? Dito. Perfume. Ito yan. Tanungin na natin yung perfume. Yung bote. Yung nabibili yung bote. You okay?
Yeah.
Tara ikaw dyan, dito tayo magtanong. Bote ng perfume. Salam. Brother, when hada ishtari hada best hadi?
ستيكر
لا مو sticker. Bottle. Sagir.
بوتل ستريت this one
Straight?
this one Arjuan
Badan sida?
this shop is opposite for your face
Aljal?
near Busedi
Near. Hadi? Ayun nga o dyan. Sakir sa? Shukran. Parang sarado.
Oh, that one.
Yan o. Siya lang? Tingnan nga natin. Nelbo Saire daw.
baka dyan yung ano. Tika nga dyan ko. Ang mahal naman ang sinano.
Presyo ng sapatos naman na. 22 KD chinelas. Pure leather siguro yun. Kasi ganun ang presyo. Sexy naman ni Madam. Madam. Oh, you're so sexy. Ha? Titingin daw siya. Ito, wala kaya itong tindang lagayan?
Wala. Pag mga ano yan, pabango.
Kids, 8KD. Sige, pasok ka, tingnan mo. Dito sa kabila, ya. Dito. Dun.
35
Ano
for my wife
Gibbets.
How old is it?
7, 9, 10, 12. Hindi man to ano, ata. 9, 8. Yeah, gibbets. 12. Sa malalaki, 12.
12, 10.
Walking. Wow. Ay, sorry, madam. I forgot about you. I'm so sorry. Saan tayo?
Let's go to
Walking.
shells.
Shells? Hindi ka makababa dito ng shells. Hindi man to dito maka-shells, baby. Happy birthday, Sandra. Ay, it's mommy pala. Akala ko birthday.
Happy birthday, mommy. She's turning 20. Everyone, she's turning 20. And that man over there, he's turning 41. And this guy over here, this small boy, he's turning to 41. Everyone look, he's turning.
Ay, dito ang lakaran. Biking yan dyan. You want or you're tired? Huwag kayo sa blue ha, kasi ano yan dyan. Yeah, mabilis. Diyan lang sa... Wait, Sandra. Rice.
Let's race.
Okay.
Wait, not yet. Not yet.
Iba-iba siguro talaga yan.
Come here.
Oh, it's high tide. High tide. It's high tide, guys. Ay, nag-blare tayo. Tapos biglang matumba na nga yung patay.
Thanks, sorry to po. Masakit daw yung likod niya, eh. O, dali na. 1, 2, pose. Ay na, patay na. Pose. Nagalit na si madam namin.
Ang ganda, guys. This is our walking on my birthday. Public beach daw, restaurants, coffee shops, public toilets, prayer halls, Binid Elgar Slipway, Kuwait Towers. Hmm. Taglit dito, ah. Sunset, guys. Dito, ah. I see there. There, and kuya. I will capture the sunset. Come on. There. Yeah.
Dali ah.
Sunset ka na.
Dali. Oh, ay ang ganda oh. 1, 2. Ay, teka lang. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, jump.
Mali. Ganon kayo. Oh, dyan. 1, 2, 3.
Jump. No, 1, 2, 3. Ay, naku siya.
Oh, let's go.
Untold.
Ang ganda ng sunset.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna be hard. Oh my goodness, can someone help me? I'm drowning by the
Drowning daw si Madam. And there, the beautiful Kuwait Towers.
designated area.
What else?
Appropriate. I just appropriate.
Yeah, that's the appropriate.
No, I want to just go back to the sand.
Ha? You want to go back there? Sagit lang niya. Gusto pa daw niya bumaba.
Mommy, can you help me?
It's okay. Go.
Just come.
No, I'm in ano, sandals.
Come. Just for 1 minute, I promise. Oh my God, I'm sinking. I promise it's just a sand. Just touch the sand. Look, it's good. You're not sinking. Then I did. I'm sinking.
You sing louder. May pakanta-kanta pa siya. Oh. What's the title of your song?
You know the title? I just knew it.
You don't know the title?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, okay. Kuwait Towers. Ang ganda. The beauty of Kuwait. Kaya ka lang naman siguro.
Ano gaya-gaya?
Bakit? Wala lang butas yan shoes mo. Hindi kay tulad kay Kuya.
And here.
Really? Saan yan sila dumaan para makapunta dun sa likuran? Diyan sa mga bato? Oh. Makatakot naman. Baka bigla ka na lang hindi, masubsob.
There's a. I like the wind. Help me, mommy. It's a bike. Yung bike. Akala ko looks like a shepherd.
Oo.
Shepherd. I'm looking in the green for a shepherd dog. Canine. No, it's like a shepherd dog. I'm gonna have a canine.
Oh.
Does it
Ay, in the vlog? The vlogger?
I can see only purple. What's too
Ading.
super hard?
Happy birthday, Adi! Happy birthday, Adi! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Adi!
Wala akong binili.
You buy clothes? No, I want a laptop.
Why?
Show us the new pieces from
Doon sa kabila.
Venezuela.
Sa,
Malayo na yun, baka abutan na tong ano ko.
Maybe Mama's bling bling.
Bling bling.
I want to see it.
You will not say it.
Where's the water for us? 1.73.
Alin?
Mama.
Alin? Hindi ko ma.
1
Battery yan. Ah, battery yan.
That's the big one.
Brand.
finance. Tsaka,
Mama, I'm gonna try the one.
Ah.
That's the time.
Gelato time.
What do you want?
What do you want, Ding?
Hello, brother. What flavor?
Mimi, look.
Pink, pink, pink.
Nawala yung pistachio nandun sa ilalim.
Yum.
mm. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Buti walang number. Happy birthday to you. Lakasan.
One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Mamaya.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Like the picture, right?